how to add notes on Instagram posts and Reels. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to add notes on Instagram posts and Reels. Alright, so let's begin. You can add short text messages to someone's post or your existing photo and Reels. To add a note on someone's Instagram posts and Reels, first open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page of Instagram. Once you are on Instagram, find the specific post or reel video where you want to add a note. You can access your own post from your profile page. You can also tap on the Reels icon at the bottom of the screen to access all Reel videos and scroll through Instagram. Once you find the Reel video or photo of someone else or your own, tap on the share icon. The share icon is located at the bottom of the post for pictures and on the right side of the screen for Reels. In the pop-up menu that appears, you'll see an option called Add Note at the bottom left corner. Just tap on it. A text box will appear with your Instagram profile picture where you can type your message. Notes are limited to 60 characters, so keep it short and sweet. Below the text box, you can select who can see your note. You can choose either followers you follow back or close friends. Once you have written your note and chosen your audience, tap the share button. Now your notes on the picture or video can be seen by your friends or close friends based on your choice. So that's basically how you can add notes on Instagram posts and Reels. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.